Sending raw and unformatted spreadsheet links to your business partners, investors, or clients doesn't exactly scream professional. Luckily, QuickBooks has a built-in feature called Management Reports. This tool takes your standard financial data and binds it into a beautifully branded PDF package, complete with a custom cover page, table of contents, and endnotes. Today, I'm going to show you how to build and customize your own management report package using the updated dashboard layout. Let's get right into it. To get started, head over to your left-hand menu and click on Reports. Instead of looking at your standard list, click directly on Management Reports. To build a brand new package, look up at the top right corner and click that bright green plus Management Report button. This opens up the Builder Studio. First things first, go to the text box in the top left corner and type in your master management report name so you can easily identify this specific template later. Look at your left-hand sidebar of page thumbnails and make sure you are clicked on the cover page. This is where you brand the document. You can toggle your company logo on or off, change the cover title to something professional like Q1 Financial Review, and drop in a custom subtitle. QuickBooks even uses smart bracket tags to automatically fill in your company name for you. Before you send it out, head down to the bottom action bar and click Preview Report. QuickBooks will generate a stunning PDF showing your cover page, clean contents, and all your financials neatly organized. Once it looks perfect, glide over to the bottom right and click the Save and Close button. Packaging your financials correctly builds massive trust with anyone looking at your business. If this quick guide helped you elevate your reporting today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.